By January 1945, something extraordinary was happening in German tank production facilities. Resources that should have been building more tanks were being diverted to developing countermeasures for the Sherman Firefly threat. But here's the incredible part. German engineers were designing counters for a weapon they still didn't fully understand. German intelligence estimated the Allies were fielding over 5,000 Fireflies. The actual number was less than 2,100. They assumed the Firefly was the beginning of a comprehensive Allied super-tank program. So they began developing counters to imaginary Allied weapons that existed only in their own fears. Longer-range guns to engage Fireflies at safe distances. Enhanced armor packages to protect against super-Sherman variants. New tactical doctrines to counter mass Firefly deployments. All based on phantom threats. Meanwhile, actual Sherman production continued unchanged. The Americans kept building standard tanks while Germany wasted precious resources fighting ghosts of their own creation. The psychological warfare had become so effective that Germany was essentially fighting phantom enemies. Tank crews were requesting constant air support. Units were refusing missions unless they had overwhelming numerical superiority. Elite formations were adopting purely defensive postures. The mere possibility that any Sherman might be a Firefly had paralyzed the entire German armored force. By war's end, Germany had spent more resources countering imaginary Firefly variants than Britain had spent creating the actual weapon. Fear had made them waste everything. Complete resource analysis in our full investigation. Link in description.